Hello everyone, my name is Shivam Kumar. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Salesforce Scenarios. So guys, today we will be discussing about the sixth part of the Process Builder series, that is child to parent record field update in Salesforce with help of Process Builder. So before jumping into my Salesforce org, I'll be describing the criteria which we'll be taking into the consideration for today's discussion. That is, account object is there, and related to that contacts are there. I have created one custom field with the name last contact date, that is of data type date time on account object. Whenever I am creating the contact record associated to a particular account, automatically that field should be updated. We'll be referencing created date field from account, from contact to account, right? So yes, we'll be jumping into my Salesforce org, hitting on the process builder. We'll be creating the new process for that, that is update child to parent record. The process starts when a record changes. I'll be hitting on save button right from there. On contact object, we have to create this process. So adding the contact object. Only when a record is created, I'll be hitting on save button. I'll be just adding the criteria, that is run every time. No criteria, just execute that action. We are not adding any kind of criteria. Hitting on save button, adding the action will be I have to update the records, that is update child to parent. Record type will be the select a record related to a contact, selecting their account ID because a particular contact is associated with the account, as account is the parent object. Hitting on choose. So yes, account contact.account ID will be seeing there on the record type. What I'll be adding the field, that is the last contact created. We'll be taking the reference of the created by field or created date, let's say. I'll be hitting on choose. So yes, my criteria will be last contact created field reference equals to contact.created date. So I'll be hitting on save button. So yes, again I'll be reiterating the process. We have created this process on contact object. The criteria for this is no criteria, just execute the process, and the immediate action will be update child to parent record. When what field we have to update? Field value for a record, that is last contact created, type field reference equals to contact.created date, right guys? So now we have to update, we have to activate this process builder. I'll be hitting on the activate button right from here, hitting on confirm. So yes, my process builder is activated. Now it's time to test that everything is working fine or not. From the app launcher, I'll be typing accounts. Yes. So I'll be creating one new account, hitting on new button right from here. Account name will be Shivam Test 2020. So that is the last contact created date and time field. I'll be hitting on save. The account is created and related in the details whenever I'll be going. Account name is Shivam Test 2020. No value is there in the last contact created. I'll be hitting on related, creating new contact related to that particular account. So yes, contact name will be is test child to parent. Hitting on save button. I'll be opening this record in new tab, going to the details. So yes, created by Shivam Kumar. Date is 17 November 2020. Time is 3:40 a.m. So I'll be going to the related account to this contact, that is Shivam Test 2020. Going to the details, there is no field update here. If I refresh, automatically that date should be copied here. That date and time should be copied here in that particular field. Going to the details. Yes, automatically last contact created date should be populated here. So the date time will be 3:40 a.m. Here also the date time will be 3:40 a.m. 17 November 2020, 3:40 a.m. So guys, what we are doing, again I'll be creating one new contact, that is test 2 child to parent. Hitting on save. If I open this record in new tab, going to the details, that is 3:42 a.m. So if I'm going to this particular account, going to details, if I just refresh this, then automatically going to the details, that time should be last contact created should be updated. So guys, this is the scenario. So that is a very amazing scenario. Thank you guys for watching this. Please like, share and subscribe my